And we're working on visual processing and visual motor and working them what we call almost like eye-hand coordination, so using it together with the hands.
Hey everyone, and welcome to the Flaghouse Sensory Channel. I'm your host Chris, and here I'm with Ilana Danneman, and we are looking at the Flaghouse Fidget Kit. Fidgets are a really fascinating thing. There's some talk about, are they a distraction, are they helpful? And we've got every kind of fidget you can possibly imagine in this kit.
There is a controversy, like when to use them. Are they helpful? Are they distracting? And it really depends on the child and the teacher and the parent. But it doesn't have to be an all or none thing. It can be set up where you can come up and get a fidget as needed, and there's time to put the fidget away. They can be, monitored so that they are helpful.
Absolutely. So there is some ownership that each person has to have over their sensory diet of what they need to kind of have. So if it helps them stay on task, great, use it. If you're finding it's a distraction, then maybe it's time to give a break and try something different, right?
That's right.
Okay. So we've got a whole variety of different sensory things here. We've got stuff like the Ziggy pasta and these balls that kind of have that really squishy, gummy type feel.
Yes, so that is a sensory seeker because we've got bumps and hairs coming out of it, and we've got light, so that's somebody who's going to need a lot. And of course, if you have somebody who, let's say, is under responsive, okay, so we may want to give them some putty to kind of wake up their hand, right? Or maybe something with a little bit of sound to it, okay? And then if we have somebody who is over responsive, we might want more soothing type of fidgets, okay? Maybe this maze here, or like here are the gel products, which are more calming.
Absolutely. And there's some good everyday classroom stuff, like the bouncy band, the foot fidget, that just goes right on the classroom chair and that you can bounce your foot onto.
That's right. So we don't have to just have hand fidgets, we can have foot fidgets.
Perfect. And then we also have a couple of more advanced pieces on here, puzzle type games, like the Find It, or this one here, that gives you the ability to kind of do it in a way that you're not just fidgeting the hands, you're fidgeting the brain too.
That's right, and we're working on visual processing and visual motor and working them what we call almost like eye-hand coordination, so using it together with the hands.
Excellent. So the Flaghouse Fidget Kit, you can get it online. We'll put a link down in the description, and let us know what you think about fidgets. If you've got an opinion on them, put them into the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Make sure you subscribe to the Flaghouse Sensory Channel. We always have brand new content every single week. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.